Hello, in this video I will show you how to make segment progress for both simple and procedural purpose. My approach is to use a material user interface to use it in a widget. Let's start with making the material user interface. Segment bar. Change the material domain to user interface. Next, we need a special photo. It should have an absolute black background and two absolutely red vertical lines, so that when processing shaders, we can easily find the value. The vertical line will be what helps divide progress bar into segments. To adjust the texture output, we need the UV. Find the texture coordinate. We need to pre-process the output before using it. Firstly, break out float two component. Break two. If the two output add up, we can tilt the texture 45 degrees. To be able to adjust the tilt, we create a parameter to bind it. I try preview the result. Now, to create some segments, I will create two parameters for binding amount of segment. Mark value divided by value per segment gives the result of amount of segments. Multiplying the result by the tilt, we will get the tilt segments. After creating the segments, next we will change their color. Create a parameter color by holding 3 and click left mouse. Try previewing. We want set segment color, so I have to reverse by using 1- node. Similarly, I create a parameter for the color of the line. We will try to see how it looks on the progress bar. You can see it look quite wrong. We need to edit the left and right margin to 0. To make the background part divided into segments, we do the same as view. Next, I want to remake the tilt path. If the shear factor value is too large, it will skew the image too much, creating more segments than the result based on the two parameters that determine how many segments there are. The biggest tool to keep the correct result is to divide value per segment by max value. So I use the remap value range to get the value in the solution range based on the input of a shear factor parameter.